In a town where rain evaporates mid-air, umbrellas were more fashion than function. One day, Tom and Jerry stood under a cloudless sky holding umbrellas. "Why bother?" asked Jerry. "It's for the style," Tom replied, twirling his umbrella. Suddenly, a cloud appeared, and rain began to fall. But, as usual, it vanished before reaching them. "See?" Tom grinned. "No need to worry." Just then, a bird flew by, shaking off water from its wings, drenching them both. "Guess we need umbrellas for birds now," Jerry chuckled as they stood soaked, realizing their fashion statement had backfired.